Grabe tong bathroom na to. Super linis. High-tech. Ang bango. First time ko kahit na in the Philippines, no? Anywhere. They have very clean, no? Mabango. Na CR. Well maintained. Sa gasoline station to na CR. Then not only that, naka-aircon pa. No? Aircon. Then see yung washing kanila area. No? Very good. We have a stopover, no, from our long trip, cross-country trip in Turkey. So far, this is the best bathroom na makita ko. No? Tingnan natin. Working, functioning, no? Tsaka tingnan mo ng pagka-maintain. Super malinis. And this one, motion activated. Ano to? Ayun, panggawa ng kamay. No, sa kadami-dami ng biyahe, this is one of the best, if not the best na gasoline station. CR. No, well endorsed to siya. Naman, no? Very good na facilities. Kumpleto. Gaganahan ka mag-stop over here. And of course, aircon pa. No? Aircon. Very nice. Gasoline station. You just go out, no? Here. Very clean. No? Tunay na mga tanim. Very nice na station. Then they have also yung Starbucks. Starbucks na at outlet. Ang galing, ano? So this station is Opet gas station. This is a white station siguro, no? Maganda siya, no? Very nice na station. Yung facilities nila. That one. Grabe. Kalinis ng CR. Yep. Ito.
CR ka na.
Mag-CR ka, May? Ha?